Hola and hello! Welcome back to Kodomo Kids. My name is Courtney, and this month, the whole month of May, we're learning all about Mexico. Come along with us. This week we're going to be learning the months of the year in Spanish, and with a popular dance known as the Macarena. Let's watch and see how this goes. Ready? Enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre. These are the months of the years. Hooray! Great! Now let's break that down and learn it together. So first let's learn the dance moves to this. So the Macarena goes like this. We take one hand out, palm down, the other hand out, palm down. Flip, flip, shoulder, shoulder, head, head, hip, hip, back, back, shake, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, jump. All right, now let's count together because there should be 12 arm movements that mimic the 12 months in the year. So let's try it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, jump. Great! Are you ready to learn the months of the year in Spanish? So let's start with enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre. These are the months of the year. Hooray! Great. Should we try putting a little bit of a melody to this? Let's try it slowly. Ready? Here we go. Enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre. These are the months of the year. Hooray! Should we try it a little bit faster? All right, and a little bit more confidently. Here we go. A 1, a 2, 1, 2, 3. Enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre. These are the months of the year. Hooray! Even faster? A 1, a 2, 1, 2, 3. Enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre. These are the months of the year. Hooray! Great job, everyone. Well done. Thanks so much for tuning in this week. Join us again next week for more from Kodomo Kids. Bye, everyone. Adios.